10 minutes math. This is IGCSE Cambridge International Exam. Mathematics, Paper 2, Extended, May, June 2015, 0580 to 22. Let us start the exam. 53,400,000 in standard form. To start to answer this question, we will go here for 5 and count how many number after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be the number which is 5.34 multiplied by 10 power 7. Now this question, a doctor starts at 20:40 and finish at 6:10 the next day. And this is very important. How long is the doctor at work? Give your answer in hours and minutes. So 20:40 is one day, and then 06:10 is another day. So I need to find the duration of the work, or how long the doctor stay in his work. So let us start. The first day is 24. So 24 hours. This is the first day. If we subtract from this day 20:40, now we find how many hours he stay in the first day, plus 606. Then now we find the total duration. How we subtract here the 20:40 from the 24 hours? Why we do that? Because this is a day and this is another day. This is one day and then this is the next day. So we need to calculate first the duration at the first day, and then we add to the duration in the second day. Okay. To start to find the answer here from the calculator, follow me please. This is 24, so 24, and then this is hour, 0 in minute, and then minus 20 here again hour, and then 40 minute, and then plus 6 here is hour, and then 10 here is minute, and this is your answer. He stay in his home stay in his work 9 hours and 30 minutes. So we go here and we write 9 hours and 30 minutes. Now this question, and this is all the time easy question, 81 is the 81 power x equal to 3. So find the value of x. This is easy question. Again, we will go to our calculator. We must be sure that the calculator add digit, of course. So now 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 27. So not yet. Multiplied by 3 equal to 81. So I can write here the base 3 power 4, let us write here, and then all of them is power x is equal to 3. Power, of course, here 1. So 3x is equal to 1. So from this equation, x is equal 1 over 4. So the answer here is 1 over 4. Direct question, easy question, no problem. Let us follow to go to this question. 7, 9, 23, and 9, a number in a number is removed from this list and the median and range is not changed. Write down this number. So this is a number, this is series of number, and he need to remove one of this number to take into consideration the median and the range will not be changed. Let us rearrange this number. The first one here is 3, and then 7, and then 9, and then how much? And then 20. Now, what is the range? The range is the first number here. This is the range. So the range is 3 and 20, so it keeps the same without any change. Now, what is the median? The median here is 9. This is our median, or we can find the 7 plus 9 divided by 2. So 7 plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to, let's see, 7 plus 9 equal to, 7 plus 9 equal divided by 2, so it's 8. So the answer here is 8, and here is 9. So the median will be 9. So I can't remove 9, I can't remove 3, I can't remove 20. The only number here I can't remove is 7. The only number here I can remove is 7. An extra number, let us see, there is an extra number, is included in the original list, and the mode does not change. Write down possible value of this number. So it's extra number, maybe it's 4, any number inside this series without a change in the mode. So maybe 4, maybe 6, whatever the number is here. So this number we can write here 4 or 6, whatever the number that you write will not change the mode. Let us see this question. A base, the four side disk is rolled. The possible score 1, 2, 3, or 4. So this is a possible score. The probability of rolling 1, 3, or 4 is shown in the table. So this is a probability of 1. This is a probability of the 3, and this is a probability of 4. Complete the table with 2 marks. You know that the probability here must be equal to 1. So the probability of 2 will equal to 1 minus, and then open bracket, all the number here 0.15 plus 0.3 plus 0.35. Okay, let us start to use our calculator. 1 minus, open the brackets, 0.15 plus 0.3 plus 0.35. So the probability here of 2, the probability here of 2 is 0.2. So I go here and write 0.2, and this is my answer. Now solve this equation. So let us see the equation. 5 5w plus 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 multiplied by 10 power 3 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 power 4. Now let us change this 6 and take one of tens and add it here. So 5w plus 20 multiplied by 10 power 3 will be equal to 60 multiplied by 10 power 3. Let us subtract 10 power 3 from all the sides, so 5w will equal to 60 minus 20 multiplied by power 3, so 5w will equal to 40 power 3 divided by 5 divided by 5, so the answer will be here 8 power 3. 8 by 10 power 3. Let us go ahead to another question. The diagram shows two straight lines AE and BD and BD intersected at C. Both diagram intersected here at C. Angle ABC, angle ABC, and the angle equal to ABC. So let us add ABC. So this angle is equal to angle EDC. EDC is equal to this angle. Triangle ABC and triangle EDC are congruent angle. Write down two property of line segment AB and DE. So the answer is AB and DE are parallel. Parallel and same length. Same length. So the two lines mentioned here will be parallel. Here this line and this line will be parallel, and of course has the same length because the two triangles are the same triangle. Let us go ahead. Find the nth term of this sequence. Find the nth term of this sequence. Let us see this sequence here. 11 minus 5 equal to 6, and then 21 minus 11 is 10, and then 35 minus 21 will equal to 14, and then 53 minus 35, let us use our calculator, 53 minus 35 equal to 18. So actually we don't have any number constant to the series. Okay, so let us try now. I have 6, 10, 14 and 18. Between 6 and 10 is 4. Between 10 and 14 it's 4. Between 18 and 14 is 4. So in the second level we have different, and of course here now we have in the third level we have 0. So this is not a first order series. This is second order series, because here we have So this series will be second order series. It's mean the equation will be in this way: an squared plus. So the equation of the series would be an squared plus bn plus c. We need to find A, B, and C. To find A, we will go to the second order here. So 2A, because here I have two member only, will be equal to 4. So 4 is the first number here, the first number in the series, and the 2 is because we have here two terms. So A is equal to 2, and this is A. Let us start to find B. We will go now to the above equation. So 3A, 3, 1, 2, 3, so 3A plus B will equal to 3A plus B will equal again to the first number of the series here equal to 6. A finish is equal to 2, so 3 multiplied by 2 plus B is equal to 6. Now from here, B equal to 0. B is equal to 0. To find C now, we will go up. So the equation will be A plus B plus C equal to how? The first number here in this series, which is 5. A is 2, B is 0. So from this equation, C will equal to 3. So final answer will be 2n squared plus 3. 2n squared plus 3. We need to check this answer to be sure that the answer is right. So how we check the answer? Again, make the table n equal to 1, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, n equal to 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, and let us try another one, 3, 9 multiplied by 2, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, 18 plus 3 will equal to 21, and so on. Okay, let us go to another question. Let us go to another question. Write the recurring decimal 0.25 as a fraction. 0.25 means 0.2555 and so on. So to solve this question, let us add x 0.2555, and then 10x is equal to 2.55. 2.55. Now 10x minus x will be equal to 2.55 minus 0.2555. We subtract this, subtract this equation minus this equation. Let us go to our calculator. 2.55 minus, this is missing 5 here. Okay, so again 2.55 minus 0.2555 equal to 2.995. So 9x will equal to 2.3. 9x will equal to 2.3. So x will equal to 23 divided by 90, and the answer here 23 divided by 90. Okay, let us go to another question. 1 year ago, Ahmed's height was 114 centimeters. Today, his height is 120 centimeters. Both measurements are correct to the nearest centimeter. Work out the upper bound for increase in Ahmed's height. He needs the upper bound of increase of Ahmed's height, and here nearest centimeter. Nearest centimeter means 114. This is the height of Ahmed previous year, yes, and then this is 120. We will subtract from him 0.5 and we add here 0.5. So today Ahmed height, the upper boundary 120.5 and here 113.5. So now he asked about how much the upper bound of increases in Ahmed height. So to find the range or the upper bound of increase, 120.5 minus 113.5. So let us see 120.5 minus 113.5, which is the upper boundary, and the lower boundary minus the lower boundary. So the answer here is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Now matrix question. Find this is the matrix 2 by 2. Find the inverse matrix of m minus 1 or inverse matrix of n. The first step, we need to find the determinant. The determinant is equal to cross multiplier. So 3 multiplied by minus 2. Don't forget now minus. This is very important. Minus, and then minus 11 multiplied by 1. Minus 11 multiplied by 1. So it's equal to minus 6 plus 11 equal to 5. So the m minus 1, or the answer, will be 1 over 5. 1 over 5. And then we replace the location of the first diagonal, and then we change the sign of the another diagonal. Change the sign of the another diagonal. So 1 over 5 the determinant, minus 2, minus 1, 11, and 3. Now, without using your calculator, work out 4 over 5 divided by 4 over 5 divided by 2 and 2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3, I have here, let me write it right, divided by 2 and 2 over 3. Write down steps of your working and give your answer as a fraction simplest form, in its simplest form. So let us start. It's 4 over 5 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now here is 5, here is 3. So I will start to multiply here by 3 and multiply here by 3. And here I will multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So the answer will be 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 15 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 multiplied by 15, which is 15. Here this one go with this one, so the remaining will be 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 multiplied by 5. Let us make it like this. This is divided by 4 equal to 1, here 2, so the answer will be 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Let us go to another question. We have here ABCD is a square. Find the value of the x. Here the both sides of the square is equal, so x minus 4 will equal to 7, so x will equal to 11. So the value of the x was equal to 11. Square ABC is and isosceles triangle EFG have the same perimeter. Work length of FG. Same perimeter, the perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by 7. Here this triangle, this side is 10, this side is 10 because x is 11. 11 minus 1 equal to 10 and 10. So the perimeter of the square will be the perimeter of the triangle. The triangle perimeter is 10 plus FG. So 28 will equal to 20 plus FG. So FG will equal to 28 minus 20 will equal FG is equal to 8. Let us go ahead to another question. The diagram shows a channel of water. The channel lies on horizontal ground. This channel has constant rectangular cross-section with area. So this is the area. Area is equal to 0.95 meters square. The channel is full and the water flows through the channel with a rate. Rate here means speed. So rate or speed is equal to 4 meters per minute. Calculate number of cubic waters, so volume of the water. You ask for the volume of the water flow along the channel in 3 hours. So I need the volume flow in 3 hours. So again, rate is equal to distance divided by time. Here the rate is equal to 4, this value 4 equal to the distance, I don't know the distance, and then the time, let me write the time here. The time will equal to 3 multiplied by 60. Now this time in minutes. The time here is 3 hours. So 3 hours multiplied by 60 will divide this time into minutes. And here 4 meter per minute, and the distance will be in meter. Let us go and find the answer. The distance will equal 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 60. So 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 60. So 710. So the distance, let me write the equation, distance is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 60, 720 meter. The volume, you need the volume in meter cube, so no change in unit. Volume is equal to area 0.95 multiplied by the distance 720. So we have 720 multiplied by 0.95, which is the area, equals 684. So 684. This is 684. This is the volume. This is our volume. Okay. Let us go ahead to another question. Now write this night as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we have here equation and we need to write it in the simplest form. So let us write the equation again. 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2x minus 5. So to start to solve this type of question, we need to be sure that the bottom part of the equation is the same. So we will come here and multiply by 2x minus 5 at the top and the bottom, and multiply at the top 2x minus 5. In the another side of the equation, we will do the same. We multiply here by by x plus 2, and here at the top we multiply by x plus 2. Let us start to write now the equation. Here we will have on both sides x plus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 5. Here it will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2x minus 5 minus 4 multiplied by x plus 2. This will be equal to, again, it's x plus 2, 2x minus 5, 3 multiplied by 2, 6x minus 15 minus 4x minus 8. B x plus 2, 2x minus 5. At the top here will be 6x minus 4, 2x minus 15 minus 8 will be minus 23. This is your final answer. Another question. Find the value of 1 over 4 power 0.5. This question is a direct question, as you know. 1 over 2 squared power 0.5 will equal to 1 over 2 squared power half. So these two will go with this half, so the answer will be half. Here it's the same. I have here 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So minus 8 power 2 over 3 minus 8 power 2 over 3. So let us change again. Minus 8 is equal to minus 2 power 3. All of them is 2 over 3. So the 3 will go with the 3 minus 2 squared. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. Direct question. Now here, use your calculator. Here, this is multiplier. Use your calculator to find the decimal value of square root of 29 minus 3 multiplied by 32 power 0.4 divided by 3. Let us bring our calculator and be careful when you start to find everything in your calculator. Use our calculator. Square root of 29 minus 3 multiplied by 32 power power 0.4 power 0.4. This is equal to square root of 17 divided by 3 equal to, so the answer is 134. So the answer would be 1.37. The answer would be 1.37. There is nothing to write here because you need your calculator only. Okay. The diagram shows a straight line L which pass through the point 0 and 3 and 4 and 11. Find the equation of line L in the form of y equal to mx plus c. mx plus c. So to find the slope m of any line, m will equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Where is x1 and x2 and y2? This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So let us go ahead in the equation. y2 is 11 minus 3 and then 4 minus 0. So the slope of this line will be 8 divided by 4 will equal to 2. This is the slope of the line. So we need now the value of C. For 4.1, x is 0 when y is equal to 3. So let us write the equation. M is equal to 2x plus c, y2 because m now is 2. So when y equal to 3, x is equal to 0. So from this equation, c is equal to 3. So the equation of the line, let us write the answer. The equation of the line y is equal to 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3. Line B is perpendicular to line L. Write down the gradient of line B. So he needs the gradient of line B. As you know, any perpendicular, M perpendicular, will equal to minus 1 over the M of the line. So the perpendicular slope is equal minus 1 over 2 because the slope here, M, is equal to 2. So minus half. Let us go ahead. The diagram shows the front face of baron. The width of the baron is 12 meters, so 12 meters is the width. The height of the baron is 8 meters. The total height here is 8 meters. The sides of the baron are both height 5 and 5. Side here 5 and side here 5. Work out the area the area of the front face of the farm. So we need to calculate the area. Let us go and divide this shape into two shapes. Here we have rectangle, here we have triangle, and then how much from here, the distance from here to here, this distance total is 8 minus 5, here the distance is equal to 3 meters. So the area will equal to, the first area is here is this triangle, it's this rectangle, which is 12 multiplied by 5. So the first area here is this shape, which is rectangle 12 multiplied by 5. Plus, we have here triangle. This triangle, the base is 12 and the height is 3. So 1 over 2, the base is 12 plus the height is 3. Let us go and find the area. 12 multiplied by 5 plus half multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3. So the total area is 78. The total area, I can write here, the total area is 78 and here 78. Of course, meter square. Okay. Let us go ahead. The length of the barrel in 15 meter. The length of the barrel is 15 meter. Work out the volume of the barrel. Volume will equal to area multiplied by L. So 78 multiplied by 15. So let us go again to our calculator. 78 multiplied by 15 will equal to 1170 meter cube. 1170 meter cube. Let us go ahead. Question. Let us go to another question. The diagram shows the position of the 3-point ABC. So I have A, B, C. Draw the locus of points which are 4 centimeters from C. To answer this question, bring your compass and ruler. Open your compass at 4 centimeters and start to go. Make point C at the center and draw circle. Draw a circle here with center 4 centimeters. Second question, using a straight edge and the compass only, construct the locus of points which are equal distance from A and B. Now to solve this part of the question, open your compass with the distance from here, from A to B. And then stop here at A and then make line up and line down. Okay, make curve up. In this way, curve up and curve here down and curve up. Now stop again in B with the same distance which AB and make another curve here and another curve. So open your compass with the distance AB, stop at A, and then start to draw the curve and the curve. One at the top, one at the bottom. Stop again in B and with a distance equal to AB and draw the curve at the bottom, curve at the top. Now, where is the distance equal, where is the location of the point with equal distance? The point with equal distance from A and B is a line connect with this line. This line, all the point here has distance equal from A to B. Now shade the region which is less than 4 centimeters from C and near to B than to A. All of the point here inside the circle is less than 4 centimeters from C or equal at the edge. For this line, so where is this location now? The location of the point is inside the circle. Near to B, so it's near to location B, so we shaded this area. We will shade this area. So this is the answer of the third part of the question. Let us go ahead to another question. Here I have Venn diagram question. Venn diagram question. You may use the Venn diagram to help you answer part A. He said that the total or the big Venn, the big series, it's equal to x bigger than 1 and less than 12, and the x is integers. Let us write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the big part, and then m is odd number. M is odd number. So let me write m now. M is all the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now n is a multiple of 3, so it will be 3, 6, 9, 12. This is each one of them. Number of n, how many number here in n? How many number in n that we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of item in n is 4. Write down m intersected with n. So the value you can see in m and n both together. 3, 6, 3, 6. We have 6. No, here we don't have 6. Only 3 and 9. So 3, 9. Now write down a set of B, and B is part of M. B is part of M. So where is M? M now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I can write any number here, but not all of them. We can write here anything 1, 3, 5. Enough. Now 1 is part in M, yes. 3 is part of M, yes. 5 is part of N, yes. Okay. Let us go ahead this question. shaded A union C intersected with B dash. Intersected with B dash. Let us start now the B dash. Where is B dash first? B dash is everything except B, so all of this area. Everything except B. So now this is what this is. Let me highlight here at this part. This part, all of this part, except B. Okay, is what is B dash. Now A union C. Where is A union C? Everything in A. Everything in A. And everything in C. Everything in C. Okay. So this is all of A and all of C. I need this part, which is the red part. The red part here. Okay. Intersected now with the yellow part. Intersected now with the yellow part. What is the area that I'm looking for now? I'm looking for now which area? Let us start to change the color so we can see how looks like the area that we need. So now where is the area that we need? The area that we need, let us see this area. The one with red here. Red and yellow together. Red and yellow. This is the intersected between union. So all the area with the red and all the area with red and yellow. Red and yellow. So this is the area which is A union C intersected with B dash. Let's go ahead. F of x. Let us go ahead with another question. F of x, x squared plus 4x minus 6. F of x can be written in the form of x plus m squared plus n. Find the value of m and n. So we have function f of x equal x squared plus 4x minus 6, and we need to write the answer, the form of the equation in this way. So x plus 2 squared equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. To draw f of x in this way, so f of x will equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. I add here 4, so minus 4 minus 6. Let me put between brackets here. I add plus 4, and in the same time I subtract 4. In the same time I subtract 4. Now this part, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4, this part together will be x plus 2 squared. Now minus 4 minus 6 will be minus 10. So now m is equal to 2. N is equal to minus 10. Minus 10. So 2 and minus 10. Let us go ahead. Use your answer to part A. Find the positive solution x squared plus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. We need to find the solution of using the same equation here now I have. So f of x, let me repeat, the f of x is equal to x plus 2 squared minus 10. To find the solution, you need equal to 0, so equal to 0. So it's mean that x plus 2 squared is equal to 10. So square root of the both direction, x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 10. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 10 minus 2. Take into consideration that he looks for the positive solution. You don't want the negative solution. So x will be equal to plus square root of 10 minus 2. Square root of 10 minus 2. Let us find the answer. Square root of 10 is equal minus 2 is equal. So the answer is 1.16. The answer will be 1.16, and this is the positive solution, the positive answer for this equation. Now let us go to another question. The cumulative frequency diagram shows information about the distance traveled in kilometers by 60 people. So here is the distance in kilometer, and here is the frequency of how many people, of 60 people. Let us start to go to the question. The eighth percent, find the 8th percent. The number of the passenger or the number of the people is 60 multiplied by 80% will equal to, let us go to our calculator, 60 multiplied by 80 divided by 100 will be equal to 48. 48, I will go to the diagram. Where is 48? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 48, so I will go here, straight line here, until I reach the diagram in this position, approximate. Okay, so let me go down now from this location, approximate. So this is your location. The location will be here in this point. So 40, 42, 44. So the answer, you can write here the answer equal to 44. Now the interquartile range, so 60 multiplied by 75%, and here 60 multiplied by 25%. 60 multiplied by 75%, 60 multiplied by 75. By the way, you can make shifts equal. Now 60 multiplied by 75 divided by 100. So it will be 45. So I need the reading at 45. And then here 60 multiplied by 25 divided by 100. So I need a reading at 15. Let us find the reading first at 45. So we will go up 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 45. Change the color. Here is 45. This is 45. And then let us go down from here. 45. Yes, it's 40. So we are here exactly at 40. So the number here 40 minus, because we need the range, and then we go to 15. Where is 15? Let us go to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 15. So we'll go here straight as we can, yani. And here is the number. Okay. And then we go down here. So it will be here 12, 14, 16. So here the value is 16. So it will be 40 minus 16. 40 minus 16. So let us find the solution. 40 minus 16 will equal to 24. So the final answer here is 24. Now let us go the number of the people who travel more than 60 kilometers. So let us go here. The number of the people travel more than 60 kilometers. So again we will go to the curve. This is the 60. We start from 60 here and we go up. Here is the location, and then we go this side. Here is the exact location. So we go up here. Okay. Now how much this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So the number of the people coming from the curve is 55. So at 60 kilometers, the reading of the frequency is 55. So how many number of the people travel more than 60? The total is 60 people minus 55. So 5 passengers travel more than 60 kilometers. Now the diagram shows speed time graph 120 seconds of 120 seconds of a journey, car journey. Okay. Calculate the declaration of the car during the first 20 seconds. So what is the first 20 seconds? This is the first 20 seconds. Here is the first 20 seconds. Here we need to find the acceleration. In this 20 seconds, here from 0 to 20, so the 0 is here, and then 20 is here, so the average speed is 18 minus 10 divided by the 20 seconds, so 8 divided by 20, let us go open bracket, 18 minus 10 divided by 20 will be equal to 0.4. So 0.4 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Calculate the total distance traveled by the car during 120 seconds. So we need the distance over the total journey. So we need to find the area under the graph. The area under the graph. So we go to the graph, divide the area into 3 areas. The first area, let us change the color. The first area is this area, which is the total distance here, 18, and then the total distance here, 10, and the time here is 20. This is the first area. The second one is here. The total distance here, 90 minus 20 will equal to 70, and again this is total 10. The last area is here. This distance total 30, and here the total dimension will be 20. So let us by color again write the equation. The first area here will equal to 18 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 20. So this is the first area. Let us go and find another area. Plus the second area here is rectangle, so 70 multiplied by 10. And then the last area here is again trapezoidal, so 20 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 30. This is what the total distance traveled by this car. Let us go ahead and find the answer from the calculator. So the first one is 18 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 20, plus the second area is 70 multiplied by 10, which is a rectangle, plus the third area is equal to 20 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 30. The total area is 14143. This is your total distance traveled by the car. Calculate the average speed. For this 120-second journey. Again, the average speed as average will be the total distance d divided by time. this is the total distance and this is the time. The total distance we already calculate 1430, and the total time is 120 seconds. Will give us the average speed. Let us go. This number divided by 120 will give us here 11.92 here, because the 6 will increase the 1 by 2b2, so 11.92. Let us go ahead to another question. F of x 3x plus 5, gx equal to x squared. Find g of g 3x, so g is equal to x squared. G 3x will be 3x squared will be 9x squared, so 9x squared. The inverse of f of x, the inverse of x, f of x is equal 3x plus 5, so y is equal 3x plus 5, y minus 5 equal to 3x, x equal to y minus 5 divided by 3, so f inverse x will equal to x minus 5 divided by 3. We replace here first the f of x with y and find the value of the x, the inverse of the x. We replace again this y with x. Final answer now is equal to x. Now the final answer is x minus 5 divided by 3. Now if the second question, find the f of x, f of x. So it's f of x is 3x plus 5 here, f of x 3x plus 5, so 3x plus 5, so it will be equal to 3, and then 3x plus 5 plus 5. So we use all of this part as x. Okay, so it will be 9x plus 15 plus 5, so it will be 9x plus 20, so the final answer will be 9x here, 9x plus 20. Thank you all and good luck, and I hope that you understand all the questions that we cover in this exam.